Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about factors affecting acid strength. Okay, factors affecting acid strength. So here in previous class we have learned acid strength. Acid strength means which acid is strong acid, which acid is weak base. So that is the information about acid strength. If the substance give protons easily, that is called strong acid. Strong acid means it is a completely dissociated. Weak acid means partially dissociated. Okay, so that's why we can define the acidic strength, so which is strong acid and which is weak acid. But here what is the factors, what is the factor behind that acidic strength? So which factors affect that acidic strength? Means the substances act as a strong acid, some substances act as a weak acid. Okay, so which factor affect that strength? That we'll discuss today our class. So two factors affect the acid strength, which can affected by two factors. This first one is the bond strength. The bond strength. For example, we take one substance, for example HCl, like this. It is a H and Cl. So the strength of the bond can affect the acid strength. And the second one is the polarity of bond, the polar bond, or we can say that bond polar. Polarity of bond can affect the acid strength, and the bond strength between two atoms can affect the acid strength. Okay, so these two factors can affect the acid strength. So now we will discuss about one by one. So first one is bond strength. If the bond strength, a simple principle here, bond strength is inversely proportional to acid strength. That means the bond between the two atoms are weak, then that substance act as a strong acid. Strong acid means acidic strength or acid strength increase whenever the bond strength is decreases. The bond strength is decreases, then acidic strength increases. That's why we can say that substance is a strong acid. Because what is the reason here? If the bond strength is decreases, means it is easily dissociated. The substance can easily dissociated is nothing but that substance act as a strong acid. So that's why bond strength decrease can acid strength increases, that substance can act as stronger acid. Second one is bond polar. It is the first one is, and the second one is bond polar or polarity of bond. Bond polar. If the bond polar increases, acid strength also increases. Acid strength means the bond polar increases, acid strength also increases. That's why that substance can act as a strong acid whenever bond polar is high. So bond polar or polarity of bond means For example, HCl is taken. What is that? Partially negative charge, chlorine having a partially positive charge of hydrogen. The bond polarity is high, then acidic strength is high. That's why that substance can act as a strong acid. Okay, so these two factors can affect the acid strength. So now we can see groups and periods how can change the acidic strength or acid strength. Okay, so first of all, in group, what happens? Group means in periodic table top to bottom is a group. For example, here hydrogen fluoride is taken, hydrogen chloride is taken, hydrogen bromide is taken, hydrogen iodide is taken. In which one? In which? So which is act as a more acid? Okay, particularly in group. So generally two factors affect the acid strength, but particularly in group, the bond strength, comparing with the bond polarity, the bond strength is more important factor, can determine which 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 substance is a act as a more acid. Okay, so that's why in two factor in group, so which factor is more effective? Bond strength is more effective or more important factor than the bond polarity whenever in groups we compare in groups of substances. So here, so in all substances hydrogen is common, that's why remaining fluoride or fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, so what is whenever group top to bottom atomic size increases. Here fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. Okay, so here what happened? Hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide. So which bond is strong and the which bond is weak here? So here this bond is weak because atomic size of iodine is a high, or atomic size of iodide is high comparing with bromine, negative charge, fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. Okay, so here the bond strength is very weak. If the bond strength is weak, so what happen? If the bond strength is weak, the acidic strength is high. That's why it acts as a more acid or stronger acid comparing with the hydrogen fluoride. So now order of the increasing order of acid strength, less than, less than, less than in group only. Okay, so here which factor affect the acid strength? Which factor affect the acid strength? Bond strength. Bond strength can affect the acid strength. Okay, so this is increasing order of increasing acid strength. So next, in period. So whenever we comparing the acid strength in period, what happened? The bond polarity or polarity of bond is more important factor comparing with the bond strength. In period we consider only bond polarity. For example, some substances are there, that is methane and the water. Sorry, here NH3, ammonia and water, hydrogen fluoride. these substances, so which is more acid, or which is act as a stronger acid. Okay, so in this in period, which factor is more important? Bond polarity or polar bond is more important factor comparing with the bond strength. That means the acid strength we can determine only by the using of bond polar nature. So in this which substance are bond polar means high electronegativity difference. The high bond polarity means high electronegativity difference. Okay, so in these substances, hydrogen fluoride having a high electronegativity difference. That's why this substance having high polar bond. So high polar bond means high acid strength. That's why the substance act as a stronger acid. So he in period, so acid strength, increasing of acid strength. So here is also increasing of acid strength. Okay, so this is the information about factors affecting acid strength. So acid strength is depending upon the two factors. One is bond strength, second one is bond polar or polarity of bond. Polarity of bond is nothing but electronegativity difference between the two atoms. Electronegativity means is a partially positive charge, partially negative charge. So this electronegativity difference is high, then acidic strength is high. Okay, so simple we can say that bond strength is inversely proportional to acid strength. That means bond strength increases, acid strength decreases. Next, bond polar or polarity of bond is directly proportional to acid strength. Bond polarity, so bond polarity is directly proportional to acid strength. Okay, bond polarity means electronegativity difference. If the electronegativity difference is high, then bond polarity is high, then acid strength increases. Acid strength increases, the substance can act as a stronger acid. In group, comparing the in group, so which factor is more effective? Bond strength is more effective in group comparing with bond polarity. So particularly in group. Okay, so it is an increasing order of acidic strength of substances in group. Next, in period, bond polarity is more important to determine the acid strength comparing with the bond strength. In which? In periods. So now methane, ammonia, water and hydrogen fluoride, the increasing order of acid strength. So hydrogen fluoride having a high acid strength because electronegativity difference is high. So the bond polarity is also high in hydrogen fluoride comparing with the methane. So that's why hydrogen fluoride act as a stronger acid comparing with the methane. So in this group, hydrogen iodide is also act as a stronger acid comparing with the hydrogen fluoride. This is the information about factors affecting acidic strength.